Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone and watch have adequate battery and are physically near each other. On your phone, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on. On the watch, open Settings to the Bluetooth or pairing screen so it becomes discoverable. Once done, disable airplane mode and quit any apps that might hog Bluetooth. This reduces interference and speeds pairing, because discovery works best when both devices actively advertise and scan simultaneously. Next, you initiate pairing. On the phone, tap Add Device or Scan and look for the watch name shown on the watch screen. When the watch appears, select it. You may see a PIN or confirmation prompt. Verify the code matches and accept on both devices. Make sure to grant permissions the watch requests, such as notifications or contact access, because those enable expected features. If the phone asks to allow location for Bluetooth scanning, permit it temporarily to ensure reliability. Finish by opening the companion app if required and following any on-screen setup steps. Test notifications, call audio or fitness syncing to confirm a complete connection. If pairing fails, restart both devices, turn Bluetooth off and on, and attempt pairing again. This clears transient conflicts. If problems persist, unpair/remove the watch from phone settings and repeat pairing from scratch. Only consider a factory reset on the watch as a last resort, because that erases data, but often resolves deep software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.